मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा क्योंकि दोनों डिबेट्स में हमने मतलब धज्जियां उड़ा दी उनकी। आपने अमित शाह को देखा होगा डिस्टर्ब, गाली तक दे दी सदन में, तो मेंटली डिस्टर्ब थे, प्रेशर में थे और उसका रीज़न है क्योंकि वो वोट चोरी में मतलब पूरा का पूरा ढांचा इन्वॉल्व है, वो तो पूरा देश जानता है। तो डिबेट पोल्यूशन पे वैसा एक्रोमोनियस डिबेट नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि ये एक प्रकार से नेशनल इमरजेंसी है जो हमारे बड़े सिटीज हैं, तो प्रोडक्टिव डिबेट होना चाहिए।
Leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, on Friday sought a detailed discussion in the House on air pollution, warning that major cities across the country were living under a blanket of poisonous air and that the issue demanded a non-partisan, solutions-oriented approach. Raising the matter during 0 hour, Rahul Gandhi said air pollution was not an ideological issue and urged the government to structure a discussion that would allow both opposition and the treasury benches to work towards solutions rather than trading abuses. He called for a long-term city-wise action plan led by the Prime Minister to address the crisis over the next 5 to 10 years. We should have a detailed discussion on Parliament on this, and the Prime Minister should put in place a methodical, systematic plan for each city, one that can, over the next 5 or 10 years, make life easier for our people, Gandhi said. Describing the health impact as severe, he said millions of children were developing lung-related diseases, older people were struggling to breathe, and cases of cancer were rising, underscoring the urgency for a comprehensive strategy to curb air pollution in urban centers. Responding to the demand, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju said the government was prepared for a discussion on the issue, adding that the Lok Sabha's Business Advisory Committee could allot time for the same. Later in the day, Gandhi chaired a meeting of Congress MPs in the Lok Sabha where he reviewed their performance during recent debates and sought feedback from party legislators. He praised the party's interventions in both houses during discussions on Vande Mataram and election reforms, claiming that the government's narrative on these issues had been shredded to pieces by the opposition. According to sources, Gandhi told MPs that the government appeared to be under pressure during the debates. He alleged that Union Home Minister Amit Shah seemed disturbed during the discussion on the special intensive revision of electoral rules and had even used an abusive word on the floor of the House. Gandhi reiterated that sustained parliamentary pressure and substantive debate were necessary to hold the government accountable and to push for policy clarity on issues of public concern.